Look at an orange cat. That color. Nobody could fully explain it for over 100 years. Scientists knew it was there. They knew it ran in families. They just could not find the gene behind it. Until 2025. And when they finally found it, it turned out to be stranger than anyone guessed. It's a mutation that shows up this way in no other animal on Earth. Just cats. So here's the real story of why your cat is orange. And why almost every orange cat you've ever met was probably male. Start with that. Orange cats are mostly boys. About 8 out of 10. It's not a coincidence, and it's not an old wives' tale. It's written into the X chromosome. The gene that makes a cat orange sits on the X. Males have only one X. So a male needs just one copy to go fully orange. One switch flip done. Females have 2 X chromosomes. To be completely orange, they need the orange version on both. That's rarer. So most orange cats are male and most calico cats are female. Same rule flipped. For decades, that's about all anyone knew. The orange gene was on the X somewhere. Nobody could point to it. Then, in May 2025, 2 teams solved it at almost the same moment. One at Stanford in California, one at Kyushu University in Japan. They did not work together. They published within days of each other. And they found the exact same thing. The gene is called rgep36. And the orange isn't caused by adding something. It's caused by a tiny deletion. A missing chunk of DNA. The team in Japan checked cats from all over the world. 258 orange cats. Every single one carried the same deletion. Every one. Here's what that missing piece actually does. Normally, rgep36 stays quiet in the cells that make color. The deletion wakes it up. And once it's active, it shuts down the machinery that builds black and brown pigment. Turn off the black. What's left is red and orange. That's your ginger cat. A gene switched on where it shouldn't be, painting over the black. And this mutation, scientists have looked. It doesn't produce orange this way in dogs or mice or any other animal. This exact trick is a cat thing. Only a cat thing. Now go back to the females. This is where it gets beautiful. A calico cat has 2 X chromosomes. One might carry orange. The other might carry black. But a cell can only use 1 X at a time. So very early, when the cat is just a tiny ball of cells, each cell randomly shuts 1 X off. For good. Some cells switch off the black X and turn orange. Others switch off the orange X and turn black. And they lock that choice in. That's why a calico is a patchwork. Every orange patch and every black patch is a little colony of cells that all made the same random call, way back at the start. No 2 calicos on Earth share the same pattern. The map is random every single time. Which leads to the fact that breaks people's brains. You cannot copy a calico. Not even with a clone. In 2001, scientists made the first cloned cat in history. Her name was CC. She was cloned from a calico named Rainbow. Exact same DNA. A perfect genetic copy. And CC came out looking nothing like Rainbow. No orange at all. Just a gray and white tabby. Because the pattern was never in the DNA. It was in that random shuffle of which X got switched off in each cell. The clone got a fresh shuffle. Same genes, brand new code. You can copy the code. You can't copy the coin flips. There's one more twist. Remember that male calicos should be almost impossible. A male has 1 X, so he can't run the orange and black patchwork. But it happens. Roughly 1 in 3,000 calico cats is male. And those cats are almost always born with an extra chromosome. XXY instead of XY. That spare X gives them the 2 colors. It also usually leaves them sterile. So a male calico isn't just rare. He's a genetic accident, walking around wearing the proof. So the next time an orange cat stares at you, remember what you're actually looking at. A 100-year mystery, cracked only last year. A mutation found in no other creature. And a coat that was painted, cell by cell, by the flip of a coin. That color was never simple. It was hiding the whole story.